The insect world often sees battles between species, and humans rarely pick sides. But here, we're cheering for these wasps. These insects, who look more like ants and don't sting people, are being released in parts of Tennessee. They will go after the emerald ash borer, a pest responsible for killing millions of ash trees nationwide.
The thing about the emerald ash borer or any forest pest is that usually they can kill off the trees faster than we can try to control them.
Dr. Greg Wiggins and Dr. Jerome Grant with UT AgResearch lead an effort to pit the wasp against the emerald ash borer. Here, the research team nails wooden blocks to trees that contain the wasp, who will soon crawl out and do their thing. They also release the wasp from this cup, and once in the wild, the wasp are listening for their natural enemy.
They can hear them chewing under the bark, and so when the wasp hears the emerald ash borer chewing under the bark, they can put their stingers or ovipositors through that bark and sting the emerald ash borer larva.
The emerald ash borer is now in almost half of all U.S. states, and here has spread to 25 Middle and East Tennessee counties. Ag researchers only have to step out their front door to see the impact of the emerald ash borer. These trees on the UT Ag campus are dying because of an infestation. And in the forest, here's a first-hand look at what these pests can do. Just under the bark, the borer's larvae carve twisting trails that cut off the supply of nutrients to the tree. Now the researchers are monitoring the wasp to see how they perform as a biological control.
What we're trying to do is look at these natural enemies, see how they overwinter, how they survive, how they become established, and what impact they have on emerald ash borer so that we can reduce the threat of emerald ash borer without long-term use of chemical insecticides.
More releases are planned for the future in other regions of Tennessee, all with the hope that one insect will get the better of another. This is Chuck Denny reporting.